Hello students, welcome to the Mathematica channel, and in this video series I am going to teach you how to solve the JEE Advanced question easily and comfortably. And as you know that JEE Advanced sums are not easy and it needs comprehensive knowledge on the subject as well as concept on each and every corner point of the topic and chapters. So whatever I have decided that I will make number of videos on important topic and I will explain each and every corner point of the sums so that you can have the comprehensive and in-depth knowledge on the chapter as well as subject, so that you can have the ability to solve the sum. Remember one thing, to solve the JEE Advanced problem, first of all you have to understand the language of the sum. So how to solve the problem and the problem solving strategy, that I will teach you in this video series. So today in this video I am just teaching you how to solve some difficult problems on parabola with a full explanation. Remember one thing, from any chapter question may not be coming, but you must get question from the parabola. So this is one of the most important chapter for the JEE Advanced Mathematics. So ready, I am starting the sums with a full explanation and full details on parabola. So here is the sum. This came in 2022 JEE Advanced Examination, and let's solve. This is considered to be a tricky question. So let's solve this. First of all, the question is consider the parabola bisecting 4x. It means 4ax, here x equal to 1. So here we are writing a equal to, in this case, a equal to 1, and s be the focus of the parabola. A pair of tangents drawn to the parabola from the point P minus 2 comma 1. So the minus 2 comma 1 is the second quadrant and parabola opens in the positive side of the x-axis. So this point is outside. Meet the parabola at P1 and P2. Let Q1 and Q2 be the points on the line. So if you are ready, we have to draw the comfortable diagram. If we can draw the diagram, then half of the sum is done. So let's do one thing. Let us get the equation of the tangent, and remember one thing, equation of the tangent normal of the parabola we can solve by two ways. One is the t through t point. I have a video on this on the parabola, so must see this. One is the t wise, one is the m wise, slope wise. So we can use anything. So let's apply the m. Therefore the equation of the tangent is, so y equal to mx plus a by m. Here a equal to 1, y equal to mx plus a by m. It is passing through minus 2 comma 1. So everyone see this, it is passing through minus 2 comma 1. Therefore we can just put minus 2 comma 1 instead of x and y, and we have to get the one quadratic equation with m, and we'll solve. So we'll get the, in this way you have to think, we have to think like this, from the from the data we have to think exactly what you have to do. First of all we'll put the point and we'll get the two values of m, so two tangent slope. In this way we'll think. Therefore we can write like this. So y is 1, x equal to minus 2m plus 1 by m. Therefore we can say here 2m square plus m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to minus 1.5 by solution, by middle term solution. And as we know that the point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. Here a equal to 1. Here we got a equal to 1 and m equal to minus 1 and 2. So we get the p and q. Therefore the point of contacts are, suppose p1 is putting m equal to half. So it is coming 4 comma 4. This is suppose p1. This is p1, and p2 point is coming to be here m equal to minus 1. If we put this, we are getting 1 comma minus 2. Now I am drawing the diagram so that it becomes comfortable for us. And if we can draw for any such structure, if we can draw the proper diagram, 60% sum is over in that place. So I am drawing the diagram. So in this diagram drawing, this is one parabola. Suppose this is a point minus 2 comma 1, this is the point P, this is minus 2 comma 1, and suppose this is a point S. So I am drawing like this. This is P1 and this is P2, and if we drop the line tangent, this is P1 point and this is the point P2. This is the point P2. P1 point we got here. This is the point P1 is 4, 4. P2 point is 1, -2. So according to that question now, it is given that let Q1 and Q2 be the points on the line SP1 and SP2 respectively, such that PQ1 is perpendicular to SP1 and PQ2 is perpendicular to SP2. Let's draw this. This is a line. This is the point according to the question. This is the point Q1, and this is a line according to the question. This is Q2. And we have to satisfy some condition. How to do this? Let's see once. Now I am drawing the diagram. Diagram is already drawn. Now let us go on solving the sum. First of all, we can do one thing. Let us get the equation of the P1s. How to get P1s equation? This is the P1s. This is the P1s. To get P1s equation, what to do? That S is 1, 0. So let's get the equation. S is 1, 0. So y minus y1 equal to m into m means what? In this case, we can say m is this y2 minus y1. This is suppose x2 y2, this is x1 y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, we can say this is the 4th third into x minus 4. So the final equation is 4x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Similarly, to get the equation is P2s. This is the P2s. Sometimes we have to apply our just common logic. Just see one thing, everybody. Here, in this case, P2, the x coordinate is 1. That S is x coordinate is 1. So x coordinate in the both cases is coming to be 1. Therefore, the equation of the P2s is coming to be here x equal to 1. Now x equal to 1, and just see once again, according to the question, it has been given that PQ2 is perpendicular to SP2. Everyone, this is a tricky question and we have to understand the meaning of this tricky question, then the sum will be done very easily. So this SP2, this is the line, and PQ2 is the perpendicular to SP2. Now see one thing, x equal to 1, its perpendicular is y equal to something, that something is coming through this 1. Therefore, x equal to 1, the line equation is y equal to PQ2 line is y equal to 1. So Q2 point is 1, 1, that we can find very easily. Now we have to get the PQ1 length. So PQ1 length, because in the option it is also PQ1 is given, so we can get the length. It will be easier for us to understand this. So just perpendicular length we can apply 4 into -2 minus 3 into 1, perpendicular distance formula, minus 4 by root over a square plus b square, it means y. So this is coming 3. So if you are the first thing, PQ1 equal to 3. So PQ1 equal to 3. So first answer is right. First answer is right. First, this option C is right. Now what to be done here? Now I am drawing separately the structure here. This structure I am drawing separately, that P, Q1, S, Q2 and P. This structure I am drawing separately. So it is like a kite structure, I think. Let's see. Let us see. And PS also length. PS length also we can get distance between them. What is there? Y2 minus y1. Everybody, sometimes you have to calculate just orally, not to write always everything. That x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, this coming what? This is coming to be root 10. So I am drawing separately the structure. So in this structure, if we draw, so this is the P, I am drawing separately. P, the structure is like a kite structure. And this is a point P point we know. This is a point Q1. This is the point Q2. Also we can get, there are number of ways to solve the sum. We could get Q1, so it is I think unnecessary. So PQ1 is 3. Now PQ2 also we can get the result easily, very easy. This is 3. PQ2 is 3. Now just this is root 10. This is root 10. This is 90 degree, everyone. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Using the Pythagoras theorem in this PQ1S, in this Pythagoras theorem, we can get here that QS is 1. This is also 1. It is a kite-like structure, not kite-like, it is a kite structure. Now the area, if we just can get the area of PQ1S is what? Half base into altitude. So we can write here half into 3 into 1, and everybody, this is the, once again we can get the area of the PQS using that. If we can drop any perpendicular here, half base into altitude process, if we can drop here, we can get also here, we can get what? That half Q1 plus, not Q1 plus, half Q1 Q2 by 2 into root 10, it's half. Q1 Q2 by 2 already I have given. Now we can write Q1 into Q2 equal to 2 into 3 by root 10. Therefore, that is 3 root 10 by 5. Now I am marking. First of all, we are seeing here that SQ1 is not 2. SQ1 already we got, SQ1 to 1. This SQ1 is 1, SQ1 is not 2. So this option is wrong. This option is wrong. Okay, I am just marking here. This option is wrong. Now Q1 Q2 already we got here. This is the Q1 Q2. It is the right option. So we can write here Q1 Q2 is the right option, and PQ1 already we got, and SQ2 is 1 we got. So the thing is this. So one sum already we have solved a JEE Advanced. Everybody, it seems it is tougher, but actually it is not tougher if you can draw the proper diagram and if you can understand the language of the sum. Let us solve one more sum which came in 2021, JEE Advanced parabola. Let's see what is the statement. Let E denote the parabola y square equal to 8x and P minus 2, 4 and Q and Q dashed with the two distinct points on E on the parabola. It means such that the line PQ and PQ dashed are tangents to E. Let F be the focus of E, then which of the following statements are correct? So, this sum which came in JEE Advanced examination, but it is related to the basic concept. If we can study all the important points, important concept of the parabola, and if you don't have, you must write in the comment, everybody, I will send you. So remember one thing, by studying just important concept we can solve the sum. I am showing you how easy it is. So students, let us draw the perfect diagram, then it will be easier for us to solve the sum. Let's see this. This is a parabola. Now this y square equal to 4 into 2 into x. So a equal to 2. Therefore we can say the directrix is, this is the directrix, that is line parallel to y axis, x equal to minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 is the directrix. So the point whatever we are seeing here, this point is on the directrix, and according to the question which has been given here, Q and Q dash be two distinct points on the parabola such that the PQ and PQ dash are tangents to E. Okay. Therefore, we can say that each of the tangents drawn from P to the parabola that ends at the focal chord according to the property. Suppose this is the point Q and this is the point Q dashed. Suppose this is the point Q and this is the point Q dashed. They end in the focal chord. Therefore, everyone, this is the focal chord. Focus is F, here focus is 2, 0, and according to the property that from directrix if we drop the tangents on the focal chord, they are perpendicular to each other. This is perpendicular, this is 90 degree. So one problem is solved here. So PF, so everyone we can see here, this is the point P, that is we can say PF, this is no PFQ, this is the QPQ dashed is the right angle triangle. Obviously it is a right angle triangle, so condition number 2 is right. We got the condition number 2, it is right. Now as we know that here this is 90 degree we got, and if we drop the line on the focal chord, that foot of the perpendicular is the focus. So this is also one point, this is another point, and if you need this type of short points so that we can solve the half of the sum easily, you must inform me. So it is PF, and P is the point -2, 4. Now this is also 90 degree. So let's see now let us consider the option points. First option, the triangle PFQ is the right angle triangle. So the triangle PFQ is the right angle triangle, obviously because it is a 90 degree. So this option is right. And second option is what? Second option is the triangle QPQ dash, already we got it, this is also right. And third is the distance between P and F, that we are going to found. And that fourth is the F lies on the line joining, obviously it is a focal chord, this is a focal chord, so focus though is the main, focus lies on the focal chord, it is obviously right. Now it remaining the point number C. So for point number C, let's find. So PF, if we find, we are getting root over 4 square plus 4 square, that is coming 4 root 2. No, point number C is the wrong. Therefore the final answer, everybody, final answer is the option number A, option number B, option number D. By knowledge only we can solve the sum very easily. If we have the just simple knowledge, basic knowledge, and if we draw the proper diagram, sum can be solved very easily and comfortably, and we have solved everybody. This tricky sums we have to apply the short tricks only. That short tricks is nothing but just simple knowledge, understanding. That is what is called the, which I told you previously, that is a problem solving strategy, that is very much needed, and it is a proper diagram which can solve the sum even 60%. Okay, so let us come to the next sum. So if you are ready, let's solve one numerical type sum which came 2012. That time it was an integer type question. So what is the question here? Let S be the focus. Let S be the focus of the parabola y square equal 8x, and let PQ be the common chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y. It means its center is क्या होगा 1, 2. It is in the first quadrant, and the given parabola. So the area of the triangle PQS is. Let's see. Let us draw the diagram. This is a parabola, and it means really if we draw the proper diagram, the sum will be solved there. Just some calculations. Just see one thing, if I draw the circle, suppose this is a circle. This is a circle, and we are talking about this. This is a common chord, and suppose this is a focus. Circle and parabola will cut. Obviously the for circle the center is in the first quadrant, so this is the focal chord. Suppose this is a P, this point is P, and this point Q. Now we have to solve the sum. Let the point, any point is 80 square 280, here A equal to 2. Therefore any point on the, suppose Q point or P point, any point, any common point on the parabola is 2t square, that is x equal to 2t square and y equal to 4t. And let us solve with the circle. So if we solve with the circle, we get here what? 4t to the power 4. It means I am putting instead of x, that is 2t square, and instead of y 4t. If I put here, we are getting 4t to the power 4 plus 16t square minus 4t t square minus 16t. Notice that the circle is passing through the origin because there is no any constant. Now if we solve this, if we solve the point, that is t to the power 4 plus 3t square minus 4t equal to 0. Now just solve it, t equal to 0 and 1, and try to solve very fast. Okay, and now we are getting the points are what? That put here instead of t1 0 0, so the point is p point is suppose 0 0, and q point is suppose when it is we are putting 1, q point is what we are getting, q point is coming to be, okay, q point is here, it is coming to be, this is 0 0 and this is coming 1, 2t square 4t, so 2 comma 4. Focus is 2 comma 0. Now we have to get the area of the triangle PQS. I am drawing in fresh. If I draw the fresh diagram, just see everybody one thing, one very interesting thing, you see one thing, that P is 0 0, S is 2 0, Q is 2 4. It's a matlab, the Q and P they having the x coordinate same. So PQ line is perpendicular to the x axis. Now I am drawing with this. Separately I am drawing. This is a perpendicular, this is the point P 0 0, this is the point S 2 comma 0, and this is the point Q 2 comma 4. So area can be obtained very easily. This is coming half base into altitude. So this is coming to be 4 square unit. Not very hard everybody, just we need some concept, some basic concept, and obviously whatever I told you in the beginning, that we need the comprehensive idea, we can solve the advanced sum very easily. Let's go to the next sum. So students, one more tricky question. Let the curve C be the mirror image of the parabola y square equal 4x. What does it mean? Obviously mirror image of the parabola with respect to a straight line is parabola. Okay, and if A and B are the point of intersection of the curve C with the line y equal to minus 5, it means A and B lying on the mirror image parabola also. So first of all, let us apply the mirror image condition, mirror image points condition, that formula. So here A equal to 1. So any point, suppose P on the parabola, on the original parabola is 80 square to 80, that is 80 square, A is 1, t square comma 2t. And any point, suppose Q, let us consider any point on the C, that is alpha comma beta. So using the mirror image formula, we can say alpha minus t square by 1 equal to beta minus 2t by 1 equal to minus 2 into t square plus 2t plus 4 by 2. So everybody, in short tricks and tips I have given in straight line, this is the mirror image formula to get the mirror image point directly instead of solving. Suppose there is a point, there is a point here, and this is a mirror, and we have to get the reflection, or we have to get on the point. So this can be solved very easily. In very easy way we can solve, not to solve that, not to do like that. The general way is that we draw these two lines, and after drawing these two lines we are solving these two, after solving this point, and it's a very long way. So directly mirror image calculation formula which I have used here. So if we apply the first and third, if we use the first and third, alpha equal to minus of 2t plus 4, because minus t square cancel. If we go to the cancellation, they are getting cancelled. I am not cancelling, it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, and if we just apply beta equal to minus of, here it is 2t is getting cancelled, minus of t square plus 4. And according to the question which has been given here, that A and B are the point of intersection of the C with the line y equal to minus 5. With the line y equal to minus 5. So if I draw just one rough diagram so that you can understand the thing, suppose this is a parabola, this is our requirement parabola C, this is a parabola C, and this is the line y equal to minus 5. Just a rough diagram I am drawing, y equal to minus 5. And suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. Now according to the question we can say, so this is equal to minus 5. This equal to minus 5. Therefore, we can say t square equal to 1. So, t equal to plus minus 1. Under this condition, if we put the value, we are getting here, suppose a point, suppose if we put t equal to minus 1, what we are getting? A point is coming to be minus 6 comma minus 5, and if we put t equal to this value, we are getting minus 2 comma minus 5. Now, the distance AB is what? Continuous, we have to apply our concept and trick. Just notice one thing here, the y coordinate is, this is minus 5. So, the distance formula is not needed here, just simply we can get the distance AB equal to just 4. So, everybody, if we can just understand the problem solving strategy, we can solve the sum very easily, very comfortably. So, let us go to the next sum. So, students, one more PYQ of JEE Advanced Examination. This is also the integer type question. So, what it is telling? If the normal of the parabola y square to 4x, so here also a equal to 1 and opening towards the positive x axis, and drawn at the end point of its lattice rectum. So, lattice rectum is what? E to a minus 2a. So, pick up any one point, better positive point. So, in this case, the lattice rectum is, so if I draw the one comfortable diagram. So, here suppose this is a parabola and the lattice rectum point is 1 comma 2, and if we drop the normal whatever I told you previously, tangent normal of the parabola has two types. One is for with respect to m, one is with respect to t. In this case, since point is given, so it is better y plus tx formula. Otherwise, we could use the y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube, but in this case point is given, it is better for us. So, here 280, suppose 80 square 280, 280 equal to 2, here a equal to 1 because y square equal to 4x, here a equal to 1 because y square equal to 4x here. Now, we can say t equal to 1. Therefore, we can apply y plus tx equal to 2at plus at cube. Therefore, y plus x equal to 3. This is a normal. This question is very easy question, very comfortable question. So, y plus tx equal to 3, and if we draw one circle and this is the tangent, the center of the circle is what? In this case, we can say this x minus alpha whole square, in this is 3 comma minus 2. So, the center is 3 comma minus 2 and the radius is r. So, if we apply the perpendicular distance formula, distance from the center equal to radius, therefore, we can write this 3 minus 2 minus 3 by root over a square plus b square, perpendicular distance ka formula, that is root over 1 square plus 1 square equal to r square. Therefore, r equal to root 2, therefore, r square equal to 2. So, students, this type of number of videos on different concept with detailed explanation, each and every corner point of the sums I will explain, so that it becomes easier for you to solve the sum of the JEE Advanced Examination. And everybody subscribe this channel, and bye everyone.